Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, where we dive deep into life's most profound lessons and strategies for success. Today, we're unpacking Law 20. A small miss now creates a big miss later, a principle that can transform the way you approach your relationships, career, and personal growth. You see, it's all about how a small miss now can create a big miss later. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the power of continuous improvement and the Kaizen philosophy. But before we jump right in, let me tell you about a man who embodies this law like no other, the legendary golfer, Tiger Woods. Most of us know the highlights of his career, but it's what you don't know that truly matters. It's about how his relentless pursuit of perfection and continuous tiny improvements turned him into one of the greatest golfers of all time. So what's the secret behind Tiger's success? Let's explore this together. In 1997, shortly after turning professional, Tiger Woods decided to rebuild his entire golf swing from scratch. His coach, Butch Harmon, warned him that it would be a long and challenging journey, and that his performance might actually get worse before it improved. Friends and experts echoed this sentiment, but Tiger had a different perspective. He viewed this as an opportunity for continuous improvement, inspired by Toyota's Kaizen philosophy. Tiger and his coach embarked on a relentless routine, hitting practice balls repeatedly, analyzing his swing, and making tiny adjustments. As predicted, he stopped winning for 18 months. Critics claimed it was over for him, but Tiger knew that small improvements would compound over time. He said, "Winning is not always the barometer of getting better." And he was right. His new swing became more precise, accurate, and versatile than ever before. Tiger enjoyed a record 6 straight wins, starting in late 1999, and the rest is history. He proved that perfection is not about heroics. It's about discipline, about making those small, incremental changes. But how does this apply to our lives? Well, here's the crux of Law 20. A small miss now creates a big miss later. The Kaizen philosophy is not just about business or efficiency. It's about ensuring you're on the right path in all aspects of your life. Just like the 1 in 60 rule in aviation, small deviations from the optimal route can lead to significant consequences over time. That's why we need real-time course corrections and Kaizen-style rituals to assess our course and make those necessary small adjustments frequently. Take relationships, for example. John Gottman, the renowned relationship psychologist, discovered that contempt is the biggest predictor of divorce. It's like being 1 degree off course in a plane, slowly drifting away due to poor communication. But by having regular check-ins and addressing even seemingly trivial issues, you can make those 1 degree corrections and stay on the right path. I apply this philosophy to business, friendships, and even my relationship with myself. Weekly check-ins, open conversations, and self-assessments ensure I'm aligned and constantly course-correcting. So remember, folks, the smallest seeds of today's negligence can bloom into tomorrow's biggest regrets. Embrace the Kaizen philosophy, make those small improvements, and watch as they lead you to the destination you truly desire. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the laws of life and success. And as always, keep improving, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired.